today's lesson you'll be learning how to create a Stormy ocean. Now let's go to the bottom right and add a ocean modifier. Let's make a render value which is going to be 35. Now let's add a time value which is going to be hashtag frame. And then slash, you're going to add 35. So let's go to the bottom left. And over here, let's make this 50. So you're able to see I created a simple blank object. I created the under ocean one. So now you can see I created the top. Now let's add this top to the plane that I've added over here. You can see. Oh, you guys can see. This is our animation. You can see it's really amazing. Quite amazing. Because the way they're giving a type of an effect is really good. Now it's time to. Oh my god! We're done! See? We're done with our animation. And it looks really amazing. Okay, so this is our whole animation. But I really can't play it because it will be really laggy. So take a look. So that is the animation, and I hope you like the animation. And if you want to learn how to create your own, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also subscribe to my classes. I'll see you next time. Bye!